Hello everyone and welcome to day number 9 of our 24-day countdown to Christmas. So today, as always, we'll start with number 7, 12 Days of Beauty. And number 9 is right here. And we've got another lotion or potion. So we've got Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream.
Okay, wait, you got that yesterday, didn't you?
No, that was a serum for the daytime, I think.
Oh.
This is for nighttime.
Okay. Oop. I'm sorry.
That's okay, honey. Sometimes we get confused. So, day number 9 of number 7, 12 Days of Beauty. Up next, we have got our Revolution 12-day box. So they all fell over, so I kind of arranged them out without looking. So let's take...
You got them all fit in there tight.
I know. Ow! Tight fit. So on day 9, we received the Illuminating Fixing Spray. So it's a lightweight illuminating fixing spray to help keep face and eye makeup in place and add a subtle luminosity. Helps prevent smudging and fading for a long-lasting look. Isn't that just what you want? Let's see here's what the bottle looks like. And let's see what the mister is. Oh, that's wet. I'm gonna try it on myself.
You're supposed to wait for it to settle before you open your eyes.
Oh, I didn't do that.
No.
And also it shoots out really fast and really, really dewy. Okay, I don't know that I love this. Next up, 24-day Revolution Makeup. And day number 9 is right here at the bottom. And we got a lip color. So we have got probably a red, an amazing lipstick in the shade Powerful.
Powerful.
So powerful. That is a very
that is
orange.
A bold red.
That is an orangey.
Oh, is it orangey? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, for sure it's orangey.
That's probably why it's so bold looking.
You're going to have to definitely build it up, though.
Oh, really? Isn't that good that it goes on thin? Because then you can build your own color density if you want.
You could build your own color density.
Well,
Yes,
yeah.
Absolutely. What a good point. So this is one with some color density, but I don't think that's going to suit my skin tone. But I will give it a try another day.
Is that a real thing?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Next is our NYX Love Lust Disco box. Day number 9. I found rather quickly, so that's good. And we have got another lip color. I love lip colors. Love eyeshadow palettes and lip colors. Look at everything just coming out so easily today, Jason. So we have got a NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer in the shade Strawberry Whip.
Whip.
Whip. I amuse him.
Yeah.
So that's all that really matters.
You said whip.
Whip. Strawberry whip. So this is what it looks like. Let's try a swatch. It smells like peppermint. Oh, why do I always do that? I'm so silly. It's got a really weird
Cotton candy.
end on it. It's a very, very pretty shade. Do you like that shade, Jason?
I think it's the color of decent cotton candy. Really.
The purple one?
Yeah, the purple one.
You're a nut. I'm going to try this one on, actually. 1 second, please. Okay, let's give this a try. It's got a really weird foot on it. What is what it looks like on the lips? What do you think, Jason? Do you like it?
It's pretty shiny.
What is a lip lacquer?
Is that what it's called?
Oh, I like this
Pretty
color.
nice. Pretty nice.
We're going on a date tonight. We're going to watch Christmas Vacation on the big screen for the first time. I'm very excited. It's my favorite Christmas movie. It's not till 7:30 though, and that's gonna put me out past my bedtime. But nonetheless, I'm very excited. Day 9 of our no, it's not BoxyCharm, Glossybox.
Why'd you say BoxyCharm?
Because BoxyCharm is on my mind because I haven't got it yet in the mail.
Oh.
So number 9 is at the top.
So you're doing this video and you're going, where's my damn BoxyCharm?
I am.
Right.
Number 9. Just open it on the wrong end. Oh, it's a cream of some sort. So we've got a Kristoff Robin, not Christopher Robin. Scrub. Oh, c'est en français. Oh. Cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt.
With sea salt.
Oh, if it's for your scalp. Oh, that I've heard of these.
You put that in your hair?
Yeah,
wow.
Like the salt is supposed to help
scrub your brains out.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like enough to
really
do
nice.
my hair.
It's plenty to do your hair, honey.
I don't know, but we'll try that though.
So you can try this. We'll both try this. I'm very excited for this.
Yeah.
I would love to know how much this little pot is. How much is this hair treatment, Jason?
Oh, my dear lady. That cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt that detoxify your hair with this sea salt scalp scrub to remove excess buildup, soothe irritation, and leave your hair healthy and clean. That
let me
would
guess.
go for.
Let me guess. $27.
No, it says $53 in here.
For this?
Yes. And the whole box only cost you $80.
$89.
Oh, well. That's pretty good.
Huh.
I like that cost-wise.
I like that I didn't have to pay that for this.
Yeah, and you're getting really nice quality stuff.
Oh, yes, fine quality items.
Yeah.
That's a Cousin Eddie reference for the movie. Right? So, yes, that's quite expensive. It smells really nice. It smells like a grandma, or at least one of my grandmas. That's nice. My favorite things today were Revolution is usually coming up on top, but it's not coming up on top today. So I'm going to go with this lip color from NYX, and then the hair treatment just because I've heard of this and I want to give it a try, and that's exciting to get a new product that you've never had. And then the night cream from number 7, and then the lipstick from Revolution, and then this just because, whoo-wee, like that's got a heck of a spray. But that was day
It's
number.
got a scent.
You have a scent. That was day number 9. Thank you for joining us again, me and my charming husband Jason. I hope everybody has a great day, and if you could please like and subscribe, that would mean so very much to me. Thank you.